If you are only using browser side tracking, then you are missing 30 to 40% of your conversion data. To see the full scenario of your business, you need to implement conversion tracking server side as well. In this video, I will show how to implement server side tracking for TikTok Pixel. Very easy way. First, the requirement, we need server. There are multiple server available on a server and step.io, Google Cloud taggers. In this video, we will show how you can implement server-side tracking using step.io. So first navigate to step.io and first we need to create a server GTM. Here create a GTM container. So click this button and give it a name. Home improves. And container configuration, for this we need to navigate a tag manager and from here click admin and click this container plus icon. So basically we need to create a server container for the server side tracking. From here now we need to give a name, home improves server, and now we need to choose server. Now create. Okay, so this is our server container and click manual and copy this and navigate to the step and simply paste here. From here you can choose your server location. So I choose India. If you are from United States, you can choose United States. It depends on your location. I'm from Bangladesh and the closest to my country is India. That's why I choose India. And then click create container. Okay, this time it's work. So I'm using free plan and continue with free plan. Here you will find a domain name. So you can use this one. In another video, I will show you how to create custom domain in step. If I show the method in this video will be very long. So I skip that. I will add this video in this playlist. You can check this out later. So this URL also works. So basically copy it and go to your tag manager, admin, container setting. So this is your server container. Remember that. We now have two containers. One is browser and another one is server. So come to your server container and admin and then container setting and click add URL and paste the URL that you copied from step and now save. So basically I open my browser container as well. Okay, so this is my browser container and this is the server container. Okay, this is done, and now I have to do some implementation in browser container for server side. First go to tag and find the Google tag and open it. Okay, so now add parameters, write server container slash underscore URL and basically paste that URL that I copied from step and save. I need to create another parameter, that is event ID, which will deduplicate the browser and server event. New, discover more variable, search event ID. Select this one, add to workspace, add, close this, give it a reload, new, and find the event ID parameter where it is. Okay, we can search event. Okay, here it is, event ID. Simply just save. That's it, nothing else. Now we need to add this parameter to our tags. Okay, so now first we will add this event ID to all our Google GA4 tag. This is Google tag, add parameter event underscore ID, event ID, save, add to cart parameter event underscore ID, event ID, begin checkout, add parameter event underscore ID. I simply copy this. Next time I don't need to type it. Event ID, save. Okay, now purchase, event ID, event ID, view item, event ID, event ID. Now for TikTok, view content. Here you see event ID, event ID, save. This is view content, add to cart, event ID, complete payment, event ID, save. Okay. Now initiate checkout, event ID, save. For page view, it's not required. Okay, and view content, I think I already add the event ID parameter. Okay, so our setup from browser side is done, and now for server side, first need to create a trigger, new custom some event name match regex, and where is my document? Okay, simply copy this and paste it. So here what I did, let me explain to you. You need to give all the events that you are tracking, that is page view item, then add to cart, now begin checkout and purchase. And between this, you need to give a pipe symbol. And here you can see a dollar symbol and first bracket close, and in the beginning this symbol and opening first bracket. Or I will also share my documents, you can simply copy it and paste it, don't worry. Now give this a name, that should be CAPI, save. Okay, and another triggers I need to create. Before that we need to go variables, configure, and from here I need to enable client name. And now go to triggers, new custom some events, client name equals GA4, and give this a name GA4. So basically you don't need to do this part if you are not implementing Google Analytics 4. In previous video, I've implemented Google Analytics 4. You can see the data of that. That's why Otherwise, if you are only implementing TikTok pixel conversion API, so you can skip this GA4 part only. And now tags, new Google Analytics 4, Google Analytics 4. Need to paste the measurement ID here. So go to GA4, admin, data streams, click here, and here is measurement ID. Copy this. Okay, and the trigger should be GA4. If you are implementing GA4 server-side tracking, then you need to do this part. Otherwise, skip this and simply save it. And now what I am showing that is required, which is TikTok conversion API. Now discover more, search TikTok by step.io. Okay, add to workspace, add. Okay, so from here choose inherit from client, and we need access token, pixel ID, test event code. To get this, we need to navigate TikTok events manager, and from here this is the pixel ID. Copy this and paste here TikTok pixel ID. Now access token. Okay, you see generate access token. Click here. It will generate a access token. Okay, this is new token. Use this one. Okay, and now test event code. Test event here. A test event code will appear. Yeah, copy this and paste it here. That's it. And the trigger should be that CAPI. This one, CAPI. The server side setup is done. Now it is time to test. It is working or not properly. First we need to do one thing. Generate a QR code. This is my website URL. Paste it. Open website. This is what we need. So simply copy it and go to our tag manager. We need to preview this again to check everything is working or not. So okay, this is our test event. Preview as well this one. Okay. Now paste that URL and connect. Okay, good. Okay, now let's view a product. AddToCart this. View another product. AddToCart this one as well. Checkout page. So everything is working in browser side. I've showed you in previous video. Okay. Now purchase. Okay. See purchase. This is the product array, value, event ID, and this is server preview. Here, see purchase, success, TikTok events API success, GA4 is also success. Begin checkout is also working. View item, add to cart, each and everything is working perfectly. Now let's see server getting anything. You see purchase, server browser, initiate checkout, server browser, view content, server browser, add to cart, server browser. So you are getting events in events manager from server and browser as well. So now the question is, the event is appearing or receiving from both sides. So it will double count, right? The answer is no, because you remember that we add a event ID. So now we will check the event ID for browser and server as well. If the event ID is similar, it means that this event will be deduplicated and it will count as one event, not two events. So here you can see the event ID. Copy this, and in browser you see it is matching. It's mean that here you can see the two event, but this events manager will count this as on event because of this event ID. So this is how you can implement the server side tracking very easily. And in this world, this is very necessary because the cookie can be killed very easily, and some browser like Safari is stop bypassing data, so you cannot track. That's why we need browser side and server side as well to get the full scenario. I hope this video will be helpful for you.